Hi everyone, so today I'm going to bake a banana bread. Really easy, very simple, and to be honest quite overdone, but I think I'm going to make a little bit of a twist and I'm going to do a cinnamon crunch on top. Definitely don't think this should be reserved for Christmas. You know, cinnamon is a very festive spice, so we'll see how it goes. So just continue on this video to see the result. First things first is flour. This is gluten-free because I'm gluten-free. So you can do 285 grams or 2 1/4 cups. I use cup measurements. Pop that in the sieve. So for this bit, I'm using 2 types of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, which has seen better days, and caster sugar. I prefer the taste of brown sugar, but I just don't have that much left, so I'm going to use a mixture of both. So I'm going to do 1/2 cup of caster sugar and 1/2 cup of brown. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to need 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate. Need to get back to school. Here it goes. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 eggs. Then you're going to turn 4 of these manky bananas into this. You're then going to turn the wet mixture and the dry mixture into a middle mixture. Make sure you fold and don't stir. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so for the cinnamon crust, you're going to need 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, brown sugar, and flour, and cinnamon, obviously. So what you're going to do with the cinnamon mix is actually get your hands a little dirty and you're going to mix it all up and slowly crumble everything together until you get little tiny pieces, so this might take a while. Last few steps. Grease this bad boy. I'm really lazy. I just use a spray. That'll do. And then you're going to slowly pour in the mixture and then the crumb goes on top. Pretty easy. Should look a little like